society, we've unlearned how to grieve. At the moment, I'm doing an 8-week course with our church family here in Napa Valley, and it is about healthy spirituality. And a large part of that is that we shy away from grief. We do not grieve the losses. So losses can be, of course, a dear one, like I'm experiencing, but it can also be disappointments in life. So, and to grieve that and to really, if I think of figures in the Bible like Job that sat in the ashes because he lost so much, not just his wealth, he lost his children. Think of Jeremiah that wrote Lamentations, complaining to God, why is this happening? Why is it me that it should happen to? We've forgotten how to grieve. You would hear people in the olden days tore their clothes. Women wore black for a year, things like that, because it's good to grieve. Because through grief you grow spiritually, growing closer to God. Not medicate yourself with food or alcohol or watching too much TV, things like that, but to really be in the stillness with God